Welcome back. We're back with the XR6 taxi build. Today we're focusing on the amp rack, working out where the amps are going to go, all the angles and things like that, where the batteries are going to sit, making up the side panels and everything like that ready for the boot. So basically getting the whole boot install layout ready. This will get us one step closer to being able to hook up all the amps and actually play the system on full volume, well, for the sub stage of it, before we move on to the doors and parcel shelf and things like that. So yeah, fair bit will be done this episode. We're going to be making up this whole install, getting all the amps mounted into their backboards, getting the trim panels sort of roughed in, working out where everything's going to go and how it's going to sit. And then hopefully the next one I'll be able to get it all wrapped and installed fully, and then hopefully start some of the wiring and things like that. I've got a couple of fuse blocks I need to make and a few distribution blocks and things like that. So yeah, let's get stuck into it.
Designed to impress.
The wiring and amplifier from the test are removed to make way for the new boot layout.
Here we go again. Trying hard, but you wanna be my friend. Ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. Here we go again.
Measurements are taken so that the back wall and top panel can be designed.
I'm the one you ride, I'm the one you ride to. If you don't wanna change, ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to.
The back wall is CNC cut and then assembled.
Wanna change, I can help you out, 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 I can help you out.
The sides are then measured, designed, modelled, and then CNC cut out.
Time is up and I'm calling up my friends. Ain't no wonder why, ain't no one to ride to. Here we go again. Call me up and you wanna be my friend. I'm the one you ride, I'm the one you ride to. If you don't wanna change, ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. If you don't wanna change, I can help you out, 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 I can help you out. Look, if you don't wanna change, ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. If you don't wanna change, I can help you out,
The sides are now installed and this box layout is now established.
help you out, I can help you out, I can help you out, I can help you out.
The floor is cut out and fitted, ready to work on the main layout. whole boot install is modelled in CAD and then cammed, ready to be cut out on the CNC router. The amp rack pieces are cleaned up and all necessary angles and edge profiles are shaped. Two side amp trim panels are glued and left to dry.
Oh my God.
Now the amp mounting boards can be secured in place and the amps can be installed. side amp mounting boards are then cut out of some 12mm MDF. Two side amps are now installed and minor tweaks are made to get the correct position with the front trim panel.
Alright, so there we go, the amp rack is all done. Finally got to this stage where we're now able to focus on trimming the amp rack and getting the final bits all fitted up. Before I install the trim panels in the next episode, I'll be doing all the wiring, getting all the distribution blocks and that sort of thing installed. I've got to make them up, all the fuse distribution and ground distribution blocks. Tying in all the batteries, make sure I can actually secure the batteries in and things like that. And then, yeah, get the thing trimmed in the black and the yellow. We've got some few lighting pieces and things like that to go in with acrylic backlit lighting. So, yeah, got to do that and the top panel, and hopefully that will nearly, I reckon, one or two more episodes and I should have the whole boot install done. And we'll be moving on to the front doors and the parcel shelf next. So stay tuned for that, where we get some more done on the XR6 taxi build.